1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3 chicken, go. It's time to start this recipe. We're gonna start off with a hack for yourself. So I'm gonna put the chicken on, grab a leg, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta get in. Oh yeah, an easy way to take it off. I'm gonna pull over on this side to show you a little bit easier. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna do a little sawing action. So now we need this to happen, and the reason being, get that fat off. I'm gonna put that there. You're gonna take your 2 thighs, and we're gonna put right on the outside of a grill, and then we're gonna take the big boy and go right on top. Now this is the hack. Seeing that we're doing a chicken and biscuit, we need to be able to take off the skin. So what you can do is pour boiling hot water. Look at that. You see that? This is a hack to help you pull off the skin. Look at that. It dries it up really quickly. Ho, ho, ho. And also it helps to now sterilize the outside for our next use, which is really, really cool. So this is a hack that you can use at your house, not just for fish. You can kind of tell because it doesn't constrict anymore. What you're going to do is now pull this, and this is the easy part of it. So I'm going to pull this up, hold at the bottom, and look how easy your chicken wing, aka chicken skin, comes off. Just going to hold it slightly. Woo. Came off, and it cuts right there. You can do the same thing for this one. Just going to grab it under. Just grab and then pull. And then we're just going to now have to rip off at the end. Now we're going to place our beautiful chicken skin. Don't want to hide it from you. So we're going to use this in just a second. We're going to take a little bit of salt for our chicken skins. Going to go just a little bit on the front 2 and then finish off with the last one. Now we're going to go right into some hot oil. Follow me here. We're going to do some fried chicken skins. This is going to be absolutely amazing. All right, looking at these beautiful pieces of fried goodness, you're going to take them out of the oil, being very careful, let a little bit drip off. I'm going to put these right on cutting board. You hear that crunch? It's going to be absolutely amazing. So what you do, really easy. Oh yes. Seeing that it's hot, I'm not going to be holding it. We're just going to go through and crunch this up. And so now this is going to add a little bit of texture and also more flavor. So once we're here, use the back side of your knife. Just push it in. Now we need to put it on top of something. Whew. All right, with our fried chicken skins, we're gonna let those rest because first we need to do a great little glaze on top. You're just gonna finish up barely tapping it. So take a little extra portion. Oh, that one looked great. It's actually glazing something very, very beautifully. But what about the chicken skins on top? So now we're just gonna now dust this right over it. Take a little handful for each, and so now you have a little bit more of a crunch with that vinegar sauce. Oh, this is looking absolutely amazing. Now while this is going, we need to make a pancake with this guy. Give you a little poke right in the top. Now you don't want to let it go too much. Woof! You already saw it. Woof! Give it a little shake, just like so, and then cool little trick for yourself. You can do this with any beer. Just watch out next to hot oil. So now you have a beer float. Once we're at the top, I'm going to push this on over. Looks pretty cool, right? We're going to go right into our flour with our beer and eggs. So we're going to pour this. Oh, that looks pretty cool, huh? So you got the eggs, beer, and we're making a beer bread. This is a beer quick bread for ourselves. All right, after we've got a great combination, aka it's mixed thoroughly, we're gonna go right into a hot oil and we're gonna be pan frying. All right, so come and follow me here. We're gonna start right in the front. You're gonna pour it to where it starts going into a circle, and you want it to kind of come out of the oil. But this is a cool way to do a biscuit in a different way. Give a little spin. All right, I forgot the golden brown on top. Look at that, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna come and place that right on. We're gonna let some of that excess oil drip off. And we'll be getting a little bit of a spice mix right on top. All right, just gonna now take each of our pieces. We're gonna go into a dry mix of sesame seeds, 5 spice, and a little bit of paprika to now push on. So what you'll do, you give a little spin. I'm gonna move this over. Give a little spin, just like this, and now we're just gonna toss. All right, with our first already there, we're gonna start plating this up. And so we're gonna need 2 because we're making a biscuit, AKA chicken and biscuit. So I'm gonna put that one there onto the chicken. Now it's time to plate these big bad boys up. So we're gonna do one of our legs on top. And we're gonna place this beautiful chicken leg right on top. Now we need to go in and put a little hat on it. You wanna be able to see it, so put it at an angle, just like so. Whew. Chicken and biscuits 101. Now we're gonna get our miso inspired sauce. We're gonna do 2 spoonfuls, and you want it to let it run off just like you would a regular chicken and biscuit. All right, once we finish up with the sauce, of course, got to add a little bit of greenery to it, so we're just going to use some green onions and chop directly on top. Of course, these things are washed, but it gets to pop that little miso-inspired corn gravy. And man, we have a meal worth eating.